to have her amidst us and to have the finance minister with us. Chigwa leero. Chigwa leero members. And really I felt bad benching on his desk for a whole week to come and say that he cannot meet me. If he's meeting me, he'll meet me only for 2 minutes with all these constituents. But he told me that our money had been diverted to evacuate Ugandans from Southern Sudan. And when we are very much aware that there is a responsible Ministry of Disaster and Preparedness, and when we are very much aware that even the budget, the Minister of Defense can come in and also spend its money, it was irrational to spend the workers' money in Southern Sudan if it was done. I want to tell you, when His Excellency the President decided to bring Mama to the Ministry of Education, after her performing miracles in Karamoja, it was intentional.
I'm only 2 months old in this ministry. Therefore, I'm still trying to learn about the problems affecting the public universities and even the private universities and the whole education sector, which you know is large. I need therefore to ask you to have the willingness to work together with me in search of lasting solutions, starting from now, on this journey, which I hope we will walk together.